guys, I'm eating tinola. I made some tinola. Yummy. And it's cold here too.